Just going to do a little quick video, and I'll redo another short one for Instagram. But just wanting to show you, this is a Russian daughter from Joe Bee Whisper on Instagram. Good friend of mine that has all Russian bees. I had 2 of his queens, and I raised a couple of rounds of queens off of them to keep and some to sell because people were wanting Russian queens. Joe talks about how slow they are to build up and then they explode. Well, if I can get this frame out, it's March the 13th. As you could see brood that hasn't hatched. It's already hatched out. She's laid it back up. There's some that's hatched out there, but she's laid all that back up. They're sticking pollen in there. And I came in this hive the other day and stole 3 frames of brood. Because like I said, this is, I guess you'd call it a Russian hybrid because it is open mated with the Canadian Buckfast that I have saturated the area with. As you can see, there's a new frame. There's a new frame. And here's another frame. I waxed my own frame. And they're already drawing comb. Very gentle, hadn't even got stung yet. Now I've already went through this box. I'm not going to go through the bottom box. Just put these frames in there. This is Thursday. I put them in there Tuesday afternoon. This one is just about completely drawn out. This one is, they're still working on. And that is with no flow. There's no major nectar flow. There's a little bit from the red buds, but there's no major flow, and they're already drawing comb. But that's just, everybody says Russians are mean, they sting. Look at this. This is a Russian, like I said, Russian queen mated with the Canadian Buckfast that I've saturated this area. I have 7 mentees within 5 miles of me that have my best queens that I can possibly give them. Notice I did say give them because their drones that they kick out will mate with my queens for sale, and I want the best I can get out there. I will link the video that Joe did when he visited here about a month or so ago in the description down below, so you can go check that video out because he tells you a lot of information about them and why he loves them. I'll also put a link to his Instagram account. Sorry for the wind, folks. The wind's been picking up. But I'll put a link to his Instagram account. That way you can follow him if you would like to learn more about Russian bees. Thanks for watching Woolly Bees.